Toyota has unveiled an ambitious concept, the Toyota RAV-X, at the 2024 SEMA Show. This innovative small crossover is built with the heart of an off-road race vehicle, crafted by Toyota's Service Parts and Accessories Development (SPAD) team. From initial sketches to the final assembly, SPAD engineers transformed the RAV-X from an idea into a reality, developing everything from 3D printed parts to custom performance upgrades. Drawing inspiration from the demanding Dakar Rally, known for its intense desert courses, the RAV-X is built for rugged high-speed off-road action. Based on a 2024 Toyota RAV4 plug-in hybrid electric vehicle (PHEV), it delivers 302 horsepower with enhanced handling and stability thanks to the battery's low placement. SPAD added custom suspension components, boosting height by 2 inches and expanding track width by over 6 inches, for agility on tough terrains. The exterior is fitted with skid plates, custom fender flares, and 17-inch wheels to maximize durability and clearance. A dual exhaust system integrated into the rear bumper complements the vehicle's aerodynamic design. The Toyota RAV-X showcases what a small crossover can achieve, blending adventure with innovation. Visitors to the SEMA Show can catch this groundbreaking model at Toyota's booth for an up-close experience.